So besides ERP system, which focuses on the internal business process, for any business, they also deal with external parties, right? So for example, say Starbucks, they have to deal with suppliers. The suppliers can be coffee growers, milk producers, pastry producers, something like that. So for these external business processes, there are also dedicated AIS systems. So for example, for supplier management, some AI systems are called supply chain management software. So they are dedicated to manage these supplier and or supply chain movements. For customer-facing business like retail, they also may have some dedicated customer relationship management software. So basically, that is to say, AIS is an umbrella, right, of different systems, including internally focused ERP systems and systems that deal with external parties, including supply chain management and customer relationship management. So here are some fun facts that I want to share with you, which is also included in the textbook, which is how are the investors of the firms will react to the firm's investment in AIS systems. So I don't know, whether you know that the stock market is very fluctuated, right? And the investors actually react to all kinds of news about companies. So a group of researchers, they examine, okay, let's say if Starbucks announced that they are investing in some kind of new AIS system, will the investors react positively or negatively? And under what condition, especially in what type of AI system, do the investors react most positively? So they basically find that in general, if a firm says, yeah, we are investing in a new AI system, then investors generally treat it as a positive news, which means they will drive up the stock price. And then if we look at the type of AIS system adopted, the researchers find that if a firm is adopting transformative AIS, so for example, transforming offline business to online business, then this kind of transformative investment is the most attractive to investors, right? Which makes sense because investors will think, wow, they are changing how they do business fundamentally, right? So that's a very good news. So the positive reaction is the most significant, followed by AIS systems that are dedicated to provide just more information or just to automate certain business processes. So this is just some fun facts for you that says if a firm invests in these emerging technologies, it actually looks good from the outside, right? And this makes sense because now you see many firms, they say that they're using AI, they are using blockchain. It's the same idea, right? Some of them are really using this AI or blockchain, but some are just, advertises so that they look good for the investors, right? So this is just something fun to share with you. So to summarize, right? So in the first chapter, as I said, it's an overview class, and we talk about what is an information system and what is AIS. And AIS is purely a type of information system that provides accounting information, including both financial and non-financial. And also AIS has different types, right? For example, the ERP system deals with internal business process, whereas supply chain management and customer relationship systems are focusing more on the external parties. And if AIS is well designed, it is supposed to increase the efficiency of the firm and generate revenue or move up the stock price, right? So that's an overview. And from next class, we're going to jump into chapter 2. That is about how to look at a business process of a firm and map out different steps so that serves as a foundation for us to design an information system. So the quiz of chapter 1, chapter 2 will be available tonight at 9 p.m. and the due date is next Monday at noon. So you will have a whole weekend to figure out the textbook access and also to read the chapters and complete the quiz. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. And I hope to see you next week.